There are many ways to lose a lot of weight fast. However, most of them will make you hungry and unsatisfied. If you don't have iron willpower, then hunger will cause you to give up on these plans quickly. Here are 10 quick weight loss tips for you, from facts only. Eat a high-protein breakfast. Eating a high-protein breakfast has been shown to reduce cravings and calorie intake throughout the day. Avoid sugary drinks and fruit juice. These are the most fattening things you can put into your body, and avoiding them can help you lose weight. Drink water a half an hour before meals. One study showed that drinking water a half an hour before meals increased weight loss by 44% over 3 months. Choose weight loss-friendly foods. Certain foods are very useful for losing fat. Eat soluble fiber. Studies show that soluble fibers may reduce fat, especially in the belly area. Fiber supplements like glucomannan can also help. Drink coffee or tea. If you're a coffee or tea drinker, then drink as much as you want as the caffeine can and then boost your metabolism by 3 to 11%. Eat mostly whole, unprocessed foods. Base most of your diet on whole foods. They are healthier, more filling and much less likely to cause overeating. Eat your food slowly. Fast eaters gain more weight over time. Eating slowly makes you feel more full and boosts weight-reducing hormones. Weigh yourself every day. Studies show that people who weigh themselves every day are much more likely to lose weight and keep it off for a long time. Get a good night's sleep every night. Poor sleep is one of the strongest risk factors for weight gain, so take care of your sleep. From facts only, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and drop your comment. Subscribe also if you are new.